Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to upload and draw a floor plan. Let's try it together. Step 1. Upload a floor plan. Enter the workspace. Click on the New Project in the upper right corner. Click to upload floor plan. Select the required drawings to upload. After uploading the floor plan, Auto-Generate Floor Plan will be checked by default. It is recommended to use recognition and auto-generation for efficiency. Use the scale length to set the base map and generate the scale of the floor plan. In order to generate an accurate floor plan, you need to place the scale as accurately as possible. Setting the correct units, then enter a specific value. When the scale setting is completed, click Import to generate the floor plan. After uploading, the floor plan will display transparent by default. You can manually modify the opacity of the floor plan according to your needs. The opacity of walls and floors can be unassociated. Adjust the opacity individually. Ensure that the base map can be clearly seen to facilitate your subsequent drawing of the floor plan. Step 2. Create multiple floors. Before creating multiple floors, you need to determine the height of the first floor before building the second floor. You can modify the height of the room in the Properties panel on the right. After the height modification is completed, click New Upper Floor to create the second floor. Set the floor name and generate location, and you can choose whether to copy the first floor plan structure. Then click Confirm. Switch to 3D mode. You will find that you can only see one floor. Don't worry, you can click the floor navigation, select Show All Floors, and set the other floors' opacity to view effect. At this point, some connections are needed between the first and second floors. Click on Floor Opening in the Floor Plan tool. After entering the drawing interface, select the tool to draw the floor opening in the top toolbar. Note that the drawn floor opening shape must be closed and click Finish after drawing. The openings have been drawn. Now let's add a staircase. First, switch to the first floor. Click the floor navigation. Click on 1F. Then switch to 3D mode. Select Models, then search Staircase in the top search bar. In the Models library, select the staircase that best fits your floor plan. Click and drag it to an appropriate position on 1F. In the right Properties panel, adjust the staircase dimensions and set a suitable height value. Finally, slightly adjust the staircase position to finish. That's all for creating multiple floors. Next, let's continue refining the floor plan details. Step 3. Adjust the wall. After setting the base map, you can adjust the walls according to the base map. Select a wall and the width and depth dimensions will appear. Click on the value box to enter a new value to modify the distance between the walls. If the wall is missing, it can be drawn by selecting the wall from the floor plan bar. Select the starting point of the wall and follow the guideline to align with other walls. If you want to adjust the details of a wall, select a wall and use the split, merge, hide, lock and delete functions in the floating toolbar. The right property panel can adjust the specific parameters of the wall. You can adjust the type, thickness, height, etc. of the wall. Step 4. Name the room. After the wall is adjusted, you can name the room. Note that rooms are only generated in closed areas. You need to check if all areas are closed. The generated room name needs to be checked to see if it is correct. If the room name needs to be modified, you can select the room, set the room type and room name in the right panel. The room name will be displayed in the final exported drawing. Step 5. Place doors and windows. There are 4 types: door, window, bay window, opening. You can choose as needed. After the placement is completed, you need to change the opening direction to the correct click. Flip in the floating toolbar to flip the direction. Then you need to resize the windows and doors. Click on the door or window. You can drag the dots on the door or window to adjust the size directly. Or adjust its width, height and thickness in the right panel. If you don't like the auto-generated door or window type, you can select door or window and click Replace in the floating toolbar. Select your favorite door or window type in the public library and you can replace it with one click. Step Final. Add structures. There are columns, beams, flues and other structures to choose from. You just need to select a structure, drag it to the right position, click on the structure. You can drag the dots on the structure to adjust the size directly. The basic framework of the floor plan is drawn. Switch to 3D mode to see the effect. In the next video, we will continue to learn how to decorate interior with AI templates. See you soon! That's all, thanks for watching.